This is their new coop. There's Lucy and Louie. And I made this screen with chicken wire, kind of, well, tighter knit than that. And then I put that rubber stuff over the top. So all I have to do now is rinse it. And all the poop goes down. So, pretty cool stuff. So, they are having their morning bath. And then their day bath. Their afternoon bath. They love baths. So anyways, there they are. The two little ducky-loos. Are you going to say hi? We're getting quite a bit of feathers. Look at those feathers coming in. They don't like me putting the phone up next to them. This is where they slept last night. No more in the tub. And they'll be in here until we can get their coop all built.